Madana's big up on a nice clean self. Now you share squeak, you want that showing. I want to share something with you today. Listen to me carefully and keenly. Please, please listen to me. Because I have two daughters reach out to me. I have a content creator who blurted it out. I was on their live the other day and they blurted it out on their live and said, Dana, you tell me you was going to talk to me about the membership. And now I have new donors, so from time to time I'm going to do, as long as I have this membership, I'm going to do a video, sometimes an update if the company changed, blah blah blah. So I will do a new video, but for what I know, I'm going to share that with you right now. I purchased the membership, I think it's about February, March, for $100. $99 they said for it, and $1 go towards the veteran. When I was doing the signing up for it, it's just your email and your name and so forth. It's very simple to become a member. All right, so what happened is I get a VIP link after I purchase the membership for $100. I get a VIP link, and I did get a cruise, but they're not offering that anymore, so I'm not promoting that part. But every year when you renew your membership, you get a hotel stay for 7 nights, a vacation stay, 7-night vacation stay anywhere you want around the world, right? That's what I was told by the company. People who take their vacation stay and in the company, I listen to them talk about it on the seminars, because I visit some of the live Zoom and so forth, and how people are sharing their experience about the membership. So I know some people that is in the membership, and I spoke to them about it. I myself as enjoy a vacation stay in Cancun, me and Gracie, from the membership. I don't know if you guys been following me. Some of you new, so you might not see those videos. But in May, end of May, early June, 5 days, 4 nights, I got a vacation stay from the company because I signed up also for the affiliate part of it. And when the same day I signed up for it, I told my kids, and 3 of them signed up right away. 3 of my kids signed up right away. So when I signed up those 3, and that was in the first 7 days, I did not know that I would get that vacation stay in Cancun. I didn't know about it. Honestly, I did not know. So I was very excited when I got that opportunity to go to Cancun on a vacation stay. So I went, me and Gracie, because I could bring someone with me, and I pay no additional money for that, but I have to pay the taxes for the hotel, and the hotel was $70. The taxes was $70. So that's all I paid. So with this vacation membership that you're signing up with, you're only going to pay $100. So the membership once per year, no monthly fee. And I repeat myself, no monthly fee. They have a petty cash, I think in the VIP part somewhere there, that you pay if you want to. That's if you want to do it. You can take it off because it's an on and off button. So if you leave it on, they charge you $25, but that $25 is towards your next vacation if you want to save with them, not for the company. No, it is not for the company. It's called petty cash towards your next travel. So you can turn it off if you don't want it. You understand? So just turn it off, because I turn mine off. I can save my own money. So I don't want the company to save money for me. So I just turn it off. But you won't be paying any additional money. Every single year when it's renewed, you get a 7-night vacation stay. Not all inclusive, vacation stay, a hotel with bed, blah blah blah, where you go stay. You're not gonna get no food. You're responsible for your food. Okay, so and that's $100. Just like how I have a Costco membership for $100, and I have to pay that every single year. It's over $100. I think it's $120 for the Costco membership. If you are in Jamaica, you know about Price Smart membership. It's something like that. Sam's Club. If you're in the US, BJ's, it's something like that. It's a travel membership. But when you renew every single year, you get a 7-night vacation stay. If you're living in Jamaica or in the islands and you want to, once it's opening in that island, it's in Jamaica. That much I know. It's in Trinidad and some more islands, but it's not in every island. But if you're in Jamaica and you decide to buy that membership for $100, you can all next year when you renew it, you can always use that $100 for the membership and go someplace you and your children and stay. You can carry your partner and your 2 kids. I think it's up to 4 people. You can do, if you want to save it towards your next trip next year for Dubai, you could say, oh, I'm going to Dubai next year for 7 days, or you're going to London, Canada, whichever country you want to go. But it's all in the big countries. Yes, you have access to it everywhere in the big countries, but I don't think it's in every single island. I know it's in Cancun, Jamaica, and a couple more. Well, they sent us a list the last time, and it's a lot of different islands but that is recognized. You know, some island they kind of still working on getting it opening there, but it is not in every single island. But if it's opening to your island, you can always reach out to me. I could go through the list to make sure, but I know it's in Jamaica, Trinidad, and a lot more island. Okay, so as I said, once you become a member, you get that VIP link. And when I just get mine, I was looking to go to Vegas with my 3 girls. I was looking on other website to see how much places to stay. Right away, I was saving $300 and something on one of the hotel that I wanted to stay in Vegas. $280 something, 100 and something. Like right away, I saved my money back from that VIP link. So I was saving money. So if you even travel once per year, you are going to save at least $200 from that vacation stay. So it's worth it paying $100 for it every year. And then when you renew next year, you're going to get that 7-night vacation stay wherever you want to go once it opens. Anywhere where you want to go. Anywhere. It's just that if you become a member, it is not open in every island, but it's open in all the big countries. It's not opening to be a member in every single island, but it is open in Jamaica for sure, that I know. It's on the list. Barbados, Trinidad, I think Guyana, and some others, you know. It is open, and it's $100 a year, and I repeat, no monthly fee. Okay, so I enjoy that. Next year when mine renew, I think it's February, early March, I signed up. I'm going to have that 7-night vacation stay, and I am going to take it go to Jamaica. I'm not going to stay on all-inclusive. At that, me I go use stay 7 nights somewhere. So Unuh we see, cause me I go show no. Yes, so I am going to use that 7-night vacation stay and stay in Jamaica next year. I will do videos of where I'm staying and how much the taxes is going to be, and I will show you, because once you're on my page, you will see more about it. But as I said before, every single year you get a 7-night, every time it renew, you get a 7-night vacation stay. And if you have any question, feel free to reach out to me on Donna B Life, Life, on Instagram or Facebook. Wherever you see this video, if somebody decides to share it, just know, reach out to me on Donna B Life on Instagram or Facebook. Have a great day. I hope this video give you more clarity. Okay, bye guys. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you something. So you don't have to sell anything, because a lot of people keep saying that when they buy this membership, there's something behind it and they have to go sell something and refer to anybody. You are not an affiliate unless you want to be an affiliate part of it. You want to sign up on that part, then you could know more about that. You could reach out to me about that differently as well. Yes, you could be an affiliate if you want to, but if you don't want to, you're just purchasing your membership for your use only. You get me? Unless you want to, you're gonna buy something in a group with somebody, like you're going with your family and stuff, you have to buy it with them, with your membership, you have to travel with them. It's just an individual thing. for $100. Unless you're gonna go with your husband and your children them, but your sister cannot use your membership. They have to have their own. So it's an individual thing, and it's $100. If you want to be an affiliate, that is something totally different. Okay, that's it. Oh, and I forgot another thing. If you purchase the membership and you decided that you want to give it to your child for their anniversary, their graduation, that 7-night vacation stay, you could give it to them. You could always call the company and turn it over to that person. You know, like next year it renew and you decided to give it to somebody, your sister, somebody. Yes, you could give it to them as well. That is also an option that you could give it to them. Your sisters, your brothers cannot use your VIP link, only you. So it's not that, it's something that you're gonna sell. Once you sign up for that $100 membership, that's just it. Okay? You could always give it to somebody if you don't want it. Yep. Me forget again. You can always, this is something when I want to say too. Me should I write it down. Should I write down what I want to tell them, but me I go off of my head top. Alright. This is something when I want to tell you too. You see, when I have 2 years to use it. If, say for instance, say this year, next year come and you don't get a chance to use it, you're not going to be able to use it next year, you have up to 2 years to use it. It not expire until